Here from Haven Learning. I often see people asking for help with math on the Facebook groups and so on, so I wanted to share this app with you. It's an AI math tutor called Thetawise. I will put the link in the description of the video so you can get there easily. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go and log in. You can use your Google account, you can use another email, whichever you prefer. Right, and then you will get to your main screen. So in here you can paste a math problem, you can record a problem, you can also do a screenshot of your homework or textbook that you can then upload, and it will explain and break down the math for you. This is just a little sample video to show you. And then you can obviously also write the problem in and so forth. So if we just paste the problem, it will look a little strange in the paste option, but it comes out quite normal on the other side. It will explain the problem to you, simplify it, and give you the steps, as you can see here. If you then want more information, or you wanted to continue explaining a little bit more detail, whatever you want, you can just plug it in and it will continue. There are also pre-populated questions underneath here, so that is related to the question. So if you want to know more about that, you just click and it will explain it. So that is the text-based answering of questions, which is very helpful for homework assignments. Then you also have a practice question section where you can just basically say what you would like to practice. So let's say, give me practice questions for fractions, for instance, as an example. And it will give you a practice question. Now, if you write your answer here and it is incorrect, I just want to show you. So I'm just going to put a random answer and say, check it. It's going to give me the reason why the answer is wrong and explain what I did wrong. And then if I want to do another problem, I can just say next problem, or I can redo the question and make another attempt. It will set back to there. So that is quite helpful for exam practice and things like that. Then there is also a video option. So you can make videos. So let's say I would like to learn about fractions for grade 4, for instance. I can set the video length. So how long do I want the video to be? So I want a short one, 5 minutes. My language, you can change the language if you would like a different language. Familiarity level, I'm normally going to go for haven't seen this before, or you can choose one of the other ones, familiar, unfamiliar, whatever the case may be. And then you're just going to click on create a video. Now this will take a little bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back to this once our video has been generated. Okay, our video is complete. It was about a minute to do it, and it's a 5-minute video. I'm not going to play the whole video, but basically you can then make this bigger. I'll play a little bit. It's going to explain it like this. Some pictures there. Okay, so that's basically what it looks like. It has a narrator as well that tells you what's going on the screen, and then you have a transcript on the side here that you can read through if you'd like to. But basically, this is your video, and it will save it in your home screen, in your chat box. So you can go back to it, and you can have a look at it again if you need to. Now, this is a free plan that I'm using here. It does have limits, so it resets every day. So if you're not going to be using this app a lot, the free plan is perfect. However, if you feel like you need to use it more often, you can do a pro plan. It is $20 a month though, so it's about 400 Rand more or less. But that gives you unlimited videos, unlimited messages, and so forth. But that's up to you. There is a free 7-day trial if you'd like to check that out first. But they basically, like I said, the free plan, if you do a few a day, it should be sufficient. So I hope you found this video valuable. I will be doing more explainer videos on tools that can help you as a homeschooling parent or a student. So if you'd like to see more of that, please follow Haven Learning's Facebook page, and I will be seeing you soon.